Alright YouTube, today I wanted to make a video on something that I made the other day, and it's really pretty cool. And made a helmet holder. So you can see it's just a 2x4 that I screwed into the wall, put a hook on it. Let's see, got one right here. Got a pack of 2 of these at Sears for like around $1.25, so got a really good deal on them. But just drilled a hole into the board, screwed it in, and it works pretty good. So now it's pretty much out of the way, so just hang the helmet up. And so yeah, I was having to keep the helmet over here on the table, and I really didn't like that it was taking up some space over here, so I made the helmet holder. Now I got more space over on the workbench, and so yeah, I thought y'all might like to see that. Then one other thing, I don't know if I had shown y'all this, but I hung up all my stuff over here, and just been trying to organize some stuff, get stuff uncluttered, just so I can have more room to work and move around in here. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool little helmet holder I made. If you really want to see how I made it, put it in the comments, and if I get enough people that want to know how I made it, might make a video just on how I made it. Didn't take me long at all, maybe 15 minutes. Thank y'all for tuning into today's video, even though it was kind of short. Like I've been saying, better videos are coming. Mowing season is pretty much over. Might mow next week, but after next week, mowing season is pretty much done, I'd say. And I won't really be mowing any yards, so I can have some time to make some really good quality videos, and videos that y'all would like me to make. So if you got any ideas for videos you'd like to see, if it sounds a little bit crazy, just throw it in the comments. The worst I can say is no. But yeah, if you have any suggestions on how to improve the channel, put that in the comments. Subscribe, like the video, and have a nice day.